it turns out that there's a fix for this, and I missed it. Remember, I was installing Nuxt UI from these instructions. I added this line to the Nuxt config in my, let's call it my Nuxt UI layer. I don't need to do this because I don't have an app.view. I'm going to do that in the other Nuxt project. And then there's this little warning that says, hey, if you're using Pnpm, which I am, ensure that you set shamefully hoist equals true or in your npm-rc file, or install Tailwind CSS Next directly in the project's root directory. I decided to create an npm-rc file, and I put this line of code in it. And then I went through the process of preparing this, building it, previewing it, deving it. It all seemed to do what it was supposed to. Then I went to, so then here, watch. So then notice the path. So now I'm in the host Nuxt project, where I'm bringing the layer in bringing the other Nuxt UI project in as a layer. And now if I run nuxi dev, and I did a pnpm install, nuxi build, and then nuxi dev, and now it seems to be working as it's supposed to. What's the lesson here? Read all the instructions. There we go. Reload, and it's loading properly. So that's my app.view content. Notice there's a class attribute and a style attribute in the head that includes the Next UI colors. So that all that material is embedded by the layer that's injected into the HTML document from the layer, which is exactly what I want. Before I close the video, let's just try one additional step here, and I wonder what this is going to do. If I include these lines in the app.view of the host, so not in the layer, but in the host, right here, app.view, let's see what happens. And that's what happened. Cannot resolve Tailwind CSS. Interesting. But I can I install Nuxt UI? Yes, I can. No, I can't. So the Nuxt UI cannot be imported directly in the app.view here. There's got to be some other way to do it, or maybe it's just inherited. So I will find out in a future video. I think it's just inherited. It's already there. Leave it at that. Bye.